It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hi everyone, it's Raf and welcome to Boundless. Today I'm going to unpack my brand new DJI Mini free drone. This is a DJI RC Fly More combo, which comes with 2 extra batteries, a remote controller with the screen, spare propellers and a shoulder bag. Just to let you know, it's actually my first time owning a drone, so let's see if it's good for beginners. That's the box. Let's see what's inside. So it comes in a bag like this, really well made. Ooh. I put everything here. Okay, that's what was in the bag. And let's start with this one. Unpack everything. Ooh, this is nice. It's really smooth. Nice. Okay. 1 battery is in the drone, I see. So these 2 will be on its here. And this is the battery pack that will charge 3 at once. I guess pressing this will remove them. Alright. Let's see. No, so this is like instructions, a screwdriver and charger ports, USB ports and a charger port, I think. I'm not gonna unpack these. These are the spare propellers. Yeah, let's see.
So where are we going?
Going up there, all the way up the hill, across the forest.
All the way up there. Let's go.
Don't wanna be a one-man woman. Got me stranded like a boat in the sand. Just the thought of not spreading my wings drives me crazy.
Hi everyone, this is me testing my new drone.
Fixing my strut, always prepared. You never know who shows up around the corner. Maybe it's that director. Oh, I can sing, I can dance, I can learn the smooth moves. I will do anything you ask me to do. Jump out on the stage, get locked up in a cage, director.
of testing a drone. We right now heading towards the lake in Plymouth, so I'll see you there.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it.
So we arrived to Devon Wildlife Trust. We are here at the moment and we're heading there. There'll be a beach. We got this.
Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changed.
Welcome to the lake. We finally arrived.
Baby, you are hurting me. Stuck in repeat. Stop lying. I know you play your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart.
So we're finally at the lake. We got this drones flying underneath our boat.
Currently in a cave. You can't tell by the echo. This is Gucci and we're waiting for Raph to fly and test his drone.
So we got some footage today, however we had a strong wind so we didn't fly as high today, but we still got some footage and we captured the train on the bridge, so
It was a good day.
it was a good day, yes. Part 2 to this video where we're gonna give full review of a drone, so subscribe and see you next time.